of seers. I rise like a fire. I rise like a fire from the mortal earth into a griefless sky, and drop in the suffering toil of His birth. Fire seeds of ecstasy. My pinions soar beyond time and space, into unfading light. I bring the bliss of the eternal space, and the moon of the faithless I measure birds with my ruby eyes. I have perched on wisdom's tree, thronged with the blossoms of paradise by the streams of eternity. Nothing is here